Now, we can't say yes, we can't say no until we go through the process that they all went through. So let's start with Kyle and see what happens. So Kyle is going to reflect in the x-axis A. So this is what happens. So we have our B now. Now B is going to be reflected in y equals x. So I'm using color to help you understand. The blue is reflected in the x axis to get to this point B. So B is going to be reflected over the yellow line to get to C. Diagonal movement, remember. So it's 2.5 diagonal away, 2.5 diagonal. So that's 3.5. And the last one. Okay, so this is the position of C for Kyle. We're going to do the process for Amy and compare E to C. Amy start with A and reflect in line y equals x. Okay. So we finish with Kyle, and this is the position. B and C is done. So let's start with y equals x. This y equals x will reflect. This point is on a mirror line, so it doesn't change. So it stays the same. So only 2 points will change. So that is D. Now we're going to reflect D in x axis. So this is our x axis. Bringing it down. Okay. Now we are comparing triangle E and C. And as you can see, this is C, this is E. They are in different positions. So respect to A. So the answer is no. But you can't just say no and leave it like that. It's no, and make a reference to the positions of C and E with respect to where they started from. As you can see, no, because C is a rotation of 90 degrees anticlockwise above the origin. Because if you rotate A 90 degrees anticlockwise from the origin, you get to this point. And E is also rotation of 90 degrees clockwise from the origin to get to from A. So which means that they are both at different positions. So I've used these colors to help you understand how I got these triangles. The blue line here gave you B. The green line here gave you E. So all you need to understand is the part of Kyle is from the black to the blue and from the blue to the yellow. And the part of Amy is from the black to the pink and from pink to the green. So the answer is no. It doesn't necessarily mean that because you sort of reverse the process, you're going to have the same positions. No, it doesn't work that way. So the answer is no. So that brings us to the end of lesson on reflection. Hope you've enjoyed it. Subscribe it and share with your friends, and look forward to the next lesson on translation. Thank you.